Spanish 1, Science and Technology, vocab 51 through 55. I'm going to say each of these words in English then Spanish and clap, and I'd like you guys to repeat with me. 51, to open, abrir. To open, abrir. 52, to download, bajar. To download, bajar. 53, to erase, borrar. To erase, borrar. 54, to change, cambiar. To change, cambiar. And finally, 55, to charge or to load, cargar. To charge or to load, cargar. Let's look at abrir, to open. Some of you might have heard the phrase aperture. If you're a machinist or you know about real sophisticated mechanical equipment, an aperture is an opening. Okay, if you don't know what aperture is, if you want a breeze, why don't you go open the window? If you want a breeze, why don't you go open the window? Abrir is to open. Okay, remember, ears to go. If you want a breeze, I want you to go open the window. Bajar is to download. Baja means lots of stuff. Baja means short. Bajar means to go down. Bajar means to download. Baja can also mean below. That word bajar or baja means lots and lots and lots of things. Now, if you're wondering why on all of these we're stressing the last vowel, abrir, bajar, borrar, cambiar, cargar. I've got a clip labeled lizard. The letters L-Z-R-D, which sort of spells out lizard in English, the letters L-Z-R-D at the end of a Spanish word tell you don't stress the next to last vowel, which is what we normally stress. Stress the last vowel. Again, about 95% of the time in Spanish, you stress the next to last vowel. But if a word ends in the letters L-Z-R-D, which I call lizard words, no one else does, but I do. If it's a lizard word, if the last letter is L-Z-R-D, the last vowel is stressed. Now, how are we going to remember that borrar is to erase? Well, if you borrow somebody's flash drive, you shouldn't erase the data on it. Or if you borrow somebody's computer, you shouldn't erase all their files. That should go without saying. So erase is borrar. If you borrow somebody's stuff, don't erase all their data. Cambiar is to change. It looks like our word combination, okay? So if everybody at school knows your combination, it's probably time to change your combination. Or if everybody at school knows your locker combination, it's probably time to change lockers, okay? I'd recommend that. Cargar is to charge or to load. I have an electric car. Okay, my wife and I have an electric car. We're all, save energy, wean ourselves from imported fossil fuel and all the good stuff. So, when we want to charge our car, we put it in the garage and plug it in. When we want to charge our electric car, we put it in the garage and we plug it in. Cargar is to charge or to load. And think about it. If you're charging the battery, you're loading it up with lots of extra energy. All right. Time for you to give yourself a post-quiz or a post-evaluation. Look at these 5 words in English and say the Spanish equivalent out loud. Or, even better, look at these 5 words in English and write down the Spanish equivalents on another sheet of paper for us. All right. Hopefully this helped. This has been Spanish 1, Science and Technology, vocab 51 to 55.